Hi guys, let's see and understand what an if function does in Google Sheets. So let's say you want to just find out whether the cell value is a pencil or not. Just an example. So what we can write here, we can just double click on it and type equals to if, and if you click on it, it shows you that first parameter will be the logical expression, and the second and third parameter are the values if it is true, if the logical expression is true, and if the logical expression is false. So let's say our logical expression, the first parameter will be if this value is pencil. Okay, so what we will write, we'll write C2, because this is C and 2, is equals to pencil. Okay, and then we'll put comma, and what will the value? Yes, or it is pencil, or true, false, whatever you want to write, and again a comma, and then under double quotes, if it is false, if this condition is false. So if C2 is pencil, then it will write yes. If C2 is not pencil, it will write no. Okay, enter, and it'll give you the autofill suggestion. Click on yes and see. Here it is binder, so it is no. It is pencil, yes. It is pen, no. It is pencil, yes. So this is the if function. Now see certain variations, interesting variations. If a field, we can use if under a nested statement also. So what happens? Let's say we want those G2 column cell values which are greater than 10, or let's say greater than 5. Okay, yes, 6. Okay, so we want to find if G2 is greater than 6, then we will write it's as high. Okay, and if they are not greater than 6, then we want to run another if expression. Means if G2 is greater than 6, then the condition is high, but if it is not greater than 6, then this thing will be applied, and in this thing we have run another if statement which says if G2 is less than 6, then whether G2 is greater than 3, then we will write these things. Okay, understood? So first of all, we are writing if G2, 2 and G, this is the G2, is greater than, let's say, 6, then we will say it is high, under double quotes we'll write high, and value if false. So what we are doing, if it is false, we are writing another if expression. Sorry, it's not if, it's ifs, if expression. And in this if expression, now we will check whether it is greater than 3 or less than 3. Okay, just for an example, you can use your kind of thing. G2 is greater than 3. Okay, then we'll write, if it is true, then we'll write as medium. Okay, medium. And if it is less than 3, then we'll write as low. Okay, and now close the bracket, and there will be one more bracket, because this is also one bracket which needs to be closed. So another bracket, hit enter, and accept the suggestions. So here it is. When it is 1, it is low. When it is 1, it is low. When it is 8, high. 1, low. 4, medium, because greater than 3 is the expression here. So this is how you can write nested things. Now let's see another example in which we are using AND. We want two condition to satisfy. Okay, if G2 is greater than, let's say, 5 and H2 is less than 5, both these conditions should be satisfied, should be true, then only yes, otherwise no. Okay, so let's write it. If, and we'll write and logical expression. Okay, so our logical expression should be if G2 is greater than 5, and another logical expression will be if H2 HN2 is less than 5. Okay, and we'll close it. The AND operator will be closed, and now we will type value of true, yes, and value of false, no. And now hit enter, and you can see. So what is our logical expression? G2 should be greater than 5, H2 should be less than 5. Here it is. G2 is greater than 5, it is less than 5. So yes, G2 is less than 5 and it is greater than 5. So both conditions are not getting satisfied. So here also G2 is greater than 5, H2 is less than 5. I mean the value, not H2, the values of cell. So these conditions are getting satisfied. So yes. So this is an AND expression. Similarly, we can use OR expression. In this case, either this condition or this condition. If either of these conditions get satisfied, then yes, otherwise no. Let's try to change it. Let's try to change to OR. Okay, let's try to put this formula here. Hit enter. Now, either G2 is greater than 10 or H2 greater than 5. This is the, either G2 is greater than 5 or H2 is less than 5. It is yes. Okay. So it's greater than 5? No. But it is less than 5. So yes. So this is how the if function works. You can use it with AND, or nested, or simply if function. Thanks for watching. Please do like.